using truth table. So let us begin with this topic. Evaluation of Boolean expression using truth table. Logical variables are combined by means of logical operators, that is and or not, to form Boolean expressions. So what are Boolean expressions? Boolean expressions are basically when we combine logical variables by means of logical operators to form any expression. That expression is called Boolean expression. For example, x plus y dot z plus z is a Boolean expression which can also be written as x plus instead of y dot z we can also write it as yz plus z. So that means the dot operator is optional. Since above expression have three variables, that are x, y and z, so we will prepare a truth table of 2 to the power 3, that is 8 input combinations. Since the number of variable are 3, so the number of possible input combination will be 2 to the power 3, that is 8 for this expression. Now let us take this. Suppose we have to prepare truth table for the following Boolean expressions. First we will see how we can prepare truth table for any Boolean expression. So we have been given this problem. We have to create truth table for x dot x plus y. Since there are two variables x and y, so we will prepare a truth table for 2 to the power 2, that is 4 input combination. So x, y, these are the input variables, since we have only x and y in the Boolean expression. For this we will have 4 input combination, and how we will derive those combination. We will write first 2 0, then 2 1, then 0 1 0 1, right? Then we have x dot x plus y. So x we already have, and we will find x plus y now. So in this column we will write x plus y, that means x or y. So what is x or y? 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, and again 1 plus 1 is 1, right? Since this is OR operation, and in case of OR, if any one of the input is 1, then we get output as 1. So since in this we have 1, in this we have 1, in this we have both 1, so for these output will be 1, and for 0 0 it is 0. Now we will multiply, we will find this whole term x dot x plus y. So x is this column and x plus y is this column. So we will multiply this and this. Since dot sign is there, right? Dot means and in case of and, if any of the input is low, we get a low output in the result. So let us multiply this x dot x plus y. So 0 dot 0 is 0, then 0 dot 1 is also 0, 1 dot 1 is 1, and 1 dot 1 is also 1. So this is the truth table for x dot x plus y. This is how we can make truth tables. Now let us take one more example, and in this example we have three variables x, y and z. So we will prepare, one mistake is there, x comma y comma z should be written here. So we will prepare a truth table of 2 to the power 3, that is 8 input combination. Since we have x, y and z three variables, and how we will make this table, the combinations, this is 8 by 2 is 4, so we'll write first 4 0 and then 4 1s, then 2 0 2 1, 2 0 2 1, and then 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1. Like this we can prepare this input combinations. Now what we need x bar and y bar, sorry, z bar and y bar. So we'll first calculate z bar. Z bar means up, this is z column and this is z bar. So if it is 0, 0 bar becomes 1, 1 bar becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1, 1 becomes 0, 0 becomes 1 and 1 becomes 0. Similarly, y bar can be calculated as 0 is 1, 0 becomes 1, 1 1 becomes 0 0, 0 0 becomes 1 1 and 1 1 becomes 0 0. Now next is we have to calculate y plus z bar, y plus z bar. So y plus z bar is, this is y and this is z bar. So 0 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 1 is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1, then 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 1 is 1, sorry, 1 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 1. So we got y plus z bar. Now we need x dot y plus z bar. So this is y plus z bar and this is x. So each row of this column will be multiplied with each row of this column. So 0 into 1 is 0, 0 into first 4 are 0, so they will give 0 in the output, right? And last 4 are 1, so 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 0 is 0, 1 into 1 is 1 and 1 into 1 is again 1, right? Now we'll find x dot y bar, x dot y, this is x and this is y bar. So you can multiply x, that is 0 dot 1 gives you 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, first 4 are 0, so we will get 0, and 1 dot y bar, 1 dot 1 is 1, 1 dot 1 is 1 and last 2 are 0, so we get zeros here. Finally we have to get x dot y plus z bar plus x dot y bar. So we'll write this whole here, and this is x dot y plus z bar, this is x dot y bar. So we'll multiply these two, we'll add these two. 0 plus 0 is 0, 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 1 plus 1 is 1, 0 plus 1 is 1 and 1 plus 0 is 0 1, and this way we can calculate this. Now prepare truth table for following Boolean expression. Sorry, we'll move down. This is an example how to verify. This is an example of truth table to verify a Boolean expression. Suppose you are given a Boolean expression x plus xy is equals to x, right? And now you have to verify this Boolean expression. What we are supposed to do, since there are two variables, so we'll prepare a truth table x and y, and 4 possible combination will be there. Now we'll calculate x dot y, x dot y becomes 0 dot 0 is 0, 0 dot 1 is 0, 1 dot 0 is 0, 1 dot 1 is 1. Now we'll calculate x plus xy, x plus xy. So x plus xy is, this is x, this is xy. 0 plus 0 is 0, 0 plus 0 is 0, 1 plus 0 is 1 and 1 plus 1 is 1. So now from this table we can see that column 1, that is this column, and column 4, that is x plus xy, this column. These two columns are similar, have similar values, so we can say that x is equals to x plus xy, hence proved. So this is how we can verify a Boolean expression using truth table. So these are the two examples. As you can do these examples in assignment. This is home assignment for you. So in first one we have 1 2 3 variables, so we'll prepare a truth table of 8 combination, right? And then we'll find b dot c, and then we'll find a plus b dot c. Similarly we'll find a plus b, then we'll find a dot a plus c, and then we'll find a plus b dot a plus c, and then we'll see that this column and this column will have same values, so we can say a plus bc is equal to a plus b dot a plus c. So in this way you can solve this or verify this Boolean expression. Thank you very much.